guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is kind of going to be a vlog type of video on just me changing things up in my room. I'm not changing the settings, like where everything is placed. I'm just changing things as of in like my curtains, bringing things in that I just bought and everything. Honestly, I'm doing this because it's just me bringing more of the spring in. Supposedly spring was in March, like the end of March, but in New York, no. It's been cold. Now it's getting a little bit warmer. Today is April 29th and a few days been warm. This week coming up is supposed to be in the 80s, but New York weather is so bipolar. One day it'll be winter, then the next day it'll be pouring rain, and then the day after that will be freaking summer, and then it'll go right back to freezing cold. It's just like, really? Even with that, I was just really like telling myself I need to change up my room, bring in more spring colors, because I had red sheets, red curtains. So I was like, let me change this up and get a few things that I've been dying to get. So let's just get right into this. For so long I've been wanting plants, and going outside I literally forget when I'm outside, but then when I come into my room, I'm like, god damn it, I want a plant. But I did purchase this plant right here in Marshall's. I don't know what kind of plant this is, but I did name it Prickly. It came to my head and I was like, Prickly, and just stuck with it. Then today, since I look like this because I was out with my mom, who was actually shopping, and I really want to get more plants, so we got more plants for my room. I'm so excited. This one right here, we put aluminum foil because I need to get a pot holder for it, and we just watered it, so I don't want the water dripping anything. So my mom was like, just put aluminum foil. This is a plant that can hang. I'm going to hang this right where my window is at, and I've always wanted a hanging plant, so I finally got it. I don't know what I'm gonna name it. If anybody has suggestions on what you think this could be named, please let me know. This right here is going to go on the wall, and I'm going to get the things to hang the plant, so then I can hang it right on here. And then I got these two little babies right here. These are so adorable. They are in the succulent family, I think it is. I don't know the exact names, but this looks like a straight cactus. It's like a little fuzz on it. I'm thinking of calling it Fuzzy. I don't know. And then this one right here, my mom says it looks like a snake because of the texture of a snake, or like an alligator or something. But these don't grow so big. But for now, my plants are gonna be right here. I'm so excited and happy. Then back here, I did this. The jar and the sea glass and seashells I purchased in Marshall's. This was actually wrapped around the little plastic thing that came in with the seashells, so I just used it for here. I didn't want to throw it out. And then these fake flowers, they are beautiful, aren't they? I got them from Dollar Tree. Now I have some coral curtains. They are so beautiful. I do want to purchase like little rings that hold them together. Since I have blinds now, I don't need to always close my curtain. I just put the blinds down. And then look at how beautiful my bed looks. So my bed sheets, I had two bed sheets, this one, and then it was another one that had like yellow, I think like the same kind of like aqua, and I like both of them, but I didn't want to buy both, and I was confused, like I don't know which one. I like both of them. So it was my mom and my niece Jayla. I was like, you guys have to pick for me. My niece was like, she loves this one. She was like, no, I love this one. And then my mom was like, yeah, just get that one. My mom liked the other one too, but my niece Jayla was so persistent. Like she was really like, I like this one. Okay, I'm gonna put this one, I'm gonna buy that one. Oh my god, and you have to see this mirror. You can tell like right here, it was just white, like an off-white. So my mom did DIY and put sand and seashells. Like, do you see this? Look at how beautiful that looks. A lot of these seashells are from Florida and Puerto Rico. My mom also made this. It was a regular picture frame, and she just painted the rim with a nail polish. The starfish is from Florida, and I think it's a few of Puerto Rico and Florida seashells. My room is becoming like the ultimate beach room. Like, do you see this? Like, it's literally the mermaid lounge. Hi, Munchkin. Hi. Hey guys, so it's Monday, April 30th. Don't mind me, I washed my hair, my PJs, I'm on my relax mode. Today I was babysitting, so I'm actually done right now. I didn't record a lot yesterday, only the things that you've seen right before this, because I did get sidetracked. I went to the movies with my friend Monique. We went to go see Truth or Dare. That movie, if you haven't seen it, is actually good. I just went to go see the movies with Monique around 8 and then came back home, took a shower and fell out. And then today, woke up early, was babysitting. But during the time I was babysitting, me and my mom put up something on the wall where my calendar is at. I'm gonna show you what I put on the wall, but before that I'm gonna explain it to you. So I always wanted to have a dream board on my wall, and a dream board is just having a poster board, and on a poster board you paste pictures that you want to accomplish or receive. Say you want to travel to Puerto Rico or Hawaii, you will put a picture about those islands, or anything that you want, you will apply it to that poster board. I didn't want to do the original way, so I was like, you know what, I want to do it my way. I want this to reflect me, and that's what I did. I purchased this on Amazon. I'm gonna show you. It's so beautiful. I love it. This is it. It's a fishnet, but I'm going to use this for my dream board. It came with seashells attached to it. It has different colors. It did come with clothespins too, 2 packs of these. I put this card that my niece Sasha got me, and it's from Friends, You're My Lobster. If you're a Friends fan, you understand what that means. And then it's got other, you know, little pictures, my Polaroids that I took, family members and stuff like that. My niece Layla made that for me. My niece Jayla made that for me. It ties everything together in my room. And also now I can clip things that mean something to me, like the things that my nieces gave me, and also pictures that I want to manifest in my life. I'm gonna see it on my wall. It's just like a whole big inspiration board that I have. Also, I said I want to have a curtain holder. When I seen this rope, I was like, oh wow, instead of having something else for the curtains, I could just put rope. My mom had rope and she did like kind of like a braid. That's what's holding my curtains down. So it ties together. Right now I'm just going to edit this video that I need to publish on Wednesday. When I upload this video, it would be on May 7th, and the video I'm talking about would be uploaded on May 2nd. Even though it's Monday, I want to edit now because tomorrow I am going to my friend Cindy's house, her new home. Her and her boyfriend are gonna cook me dinner. I'm going to edit now so then I don't have to, you know, worry about tomorrow since I'm going out. Hey guys, so today is Thursday, May 3rd. I have not filmed since Monday, I think it has been. After I filmed on Monday, I said I had to edit the video for Wednesday, so I did that, and then on Tuesday I was babysitting, and then I was editing a little bit more. Went to my friend Cindy's house. I was at her house around 7:30. We chilled. That's why I didn't record. After that I got home around like 11, but I actually went to sleep around 1 because I had to finish editing my video for Wednesday. And then Wednesday I had to babysit, and I was with my family afterwards. It's Thursday. I didn't have to work, but I did go out with my mom. Went to Dollar Tree, got a few things. It's about to be 5 and I just got back from grocery shopping with my parents and my brother Brian. We went to, you know, get some healthier foods because we're trying to change our ways of eating. Right now what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna get ready to take a shower and wash my hair. I need to refresh myself because it's so hot, but it is beautiful out there. Let's get into this. Play it. Today is Friday, May 4th. Now yesterday, I did record yesterday, Thursday. Today all I did was babysit. I was editing a video and now I'm getting ready. I'm going out with my friend Monique and a bunch of my other friends for my friend Monet's birthday. I was supposed to leave at 8:30 and it's 8:41, so I'm kind of like rushing to go. We're gonna go to one of Monet's friend's house, and we're just gonna have like a get together for Monet's birthday. You don't know Monet, you might see her in a few because I might be snapping hopefully, but yeah, so I'm gonna get ready and hopefully I will cue in some snaps that I did, and if not, you will see me tomorrow on Saturday. Don't mind me, I look like a hot mess. I think every single time you see me, this whole little mini vlog thing I just did, I've been looking kind of crazy, but I'm in my normal state, so it's okay. Today it's Saturday and I am kind of beat because of yesterday. I went out to my friend's get together and I got home at 5 in the morning and I woke up at 10 a.m. I wasn't going to come home that late, but I had so much fun at the get together. I'm gonna show you right now after this what my mom did. I wanted to do it with her, but she said she couldn't do it. She couldn't wait for me because she was kind of bored in the morning up by herself. I was like, okay, it's okay, but I woke up to the surprise. She planted our seeds. It's not any flowers yet because it has to grow. I'm just so excited because I want to see it grow, you know? This is how it looks. It's the planter and it's just the dirt. I'm leaving these plants here. Before I didn't want to leave it here, but I honestly love how it looks on my windowsill, and I didn't have a name for them. I didn't know what to call them, but now I do. This is Fuzz and this is Rep, like reptile. My mom said call it Leafy, and then my niece Layla said the same thing, and she didn't hear my mom. But still, if you have any suggestions, let me know. So I'm just gonna wrap it up here. I might show you just a few clips on what I'm doing, but if I don't, or if I do, no matter what, I'm ending it here on me talking. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.